Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Lisna Yanti. I will share my presentation about recording yourself, digitally alter research in speaking. So, what is speaking? Speaking is the hard skill for English learners to improve because you need to find someone who can correct your mistakes and tell you how to improve. One of the most powerful and effective things you can do right now to improve your pronunciation is record yourself speaking English. It's strange and uncomfortable at first, and you will think that you sound funny, but it is the best and fastest way to improve your pronunciation. Reason why you should record yourself. Do you know what you sound like when you speak English? Have you ever heard yourself speaking English? How can you improve your pronunciation if you don't know what you sound like? What are you going to improve? People say you need to learn from your mistakes, but how do you know what mistakes you are making? So, you are not going to improve your pronunciation by reading out loud every day. We'll just keep repeating your mistakes without ever correcting them. If you record yourself speaking, you can hear your mistakes and correct them. If you are not able to take lesson, there's something that you can do to find that direction you need. Record yourself speaking your target language. Why do this? Because in listening back to that recording or in watching if you've made a video recording, you will pick up on things you are not aware of, both good and bad in real time. The third is Vocaro. This is the easiest way to record yourself. You click record, allow Vocaro access to your microphone and camera, and then you speak. However, you can't save any of your recordings. You can only record yourself and listen. When you record something new, you lose your previous recording. There is media that can be used to recording yourself. The first is video and audio recordings that is already on your phone. The second is SoundCloud. SoundCloud is an application that allows you to record any sound with your Android device. SoundCloud is a very interesting application that not only allows you to record a fragment of a song at a crucial moment to remind you later, but it also serves as a recording device for reminders and hundreds of others. The fourth is audio recorder. This Android voice recorder application offers essential features in it. Even though it is not equipped with professional features with complicated usage, you can serially on this application. Using audio recorder, you can record and save your voice. The fifth is Easy Voice Recorder. Easy Voice Recorder is a simple audio recorder that lets you record any sound on your Android device. The Easy Voice Recorder interface is simple but very effective. In the first step, you will have the record button, shaped like a giant microphone, which you can press to start or stop recording. In the second tab, you can see the list of all recordings you have on your device. Easy Voice Recorder is a recording tool as easy as it is useful. It offers exactly what any good voice recorder should: the ability to quickly record audio at any time. The sixth is RecForge 2. This application for recording sound has quite advanced recording features, allowing users to make diverse settings in the recording process. And the last one is Titanium Voice Recorder. Titanium Voice Recorder is the high-quality free recording application for Android. Record voice memos, meetings, lectures, and endless other possibilities with this superior recorder. I think we'll get more out of recording yourself on video. With a video, you can also evaluate your body language. Do you look comfortable speaking the language? Perhaps you made a face at a certain point that indicate you are not sure of something. So, you can go back and review whatever it was that made you hesitate. Do you look engaged in the conversation or monologue in a way that's culturally appropriate to the language you are learning? Remember that communicating in a language isn't just about the words and grammar. How does it work? First is find a video or other recording of a native speaker you want to sound like. Look for a video or recording with a transcript or subtitle. A transcript is a copy of the words that have been spoken. Subtitles are the words you see on a TV screen or in a video. This is important. You must be able to read the words. Start with a short sentence. Later, as you practice more, read longer paragraphs. You can use some resources from the English Teacher podcast, TED Talks, and We Are, National Public Radio podcast, BBC 6 Minute English British Accent, BBC Words in the News British Accent. Second is record yourself reading the same words. See below for a list of application, software, and websites you can use to record yourself. The third is listen to the recording. Compare how you sound to how the native speaker sound. What are you doing right? What do you need to improve? Practice making the sound that you hear. Mimic, imitate, copy. All these words mean the same thing. Try to make the sound you hear. Remember, you have to hear an English word to know how to say it. Don't try to guess the pronunciation for saying the word. Do you ever make fun of someone speaking your language with an accent? Do you ever copy the way they speak? That's what you need to do in English. And the fifth is continue recording yourself until you are happy. Find a new recording of a native speaker and repeat steps 1 until 5. Strength and weakness, record yourself. For strength, the first is using recording yourself can motivate you to try something new. In addition, students can practice and record privately, which can help them solve problems confidently. The second is recording yourself can encourage focus on a query, especially if students are encouraged and guided to prepare, practice, record, listen and check, and record until they are satisfied with the final result. The third is have reflect on their speech and develop a critical ear so they can evaluate their performance more effectively. And the fourth is record yourself can be done almost anywhere and anytime because voice recording application is available for all mobile devices. And the last one is learn from the bad to be good. And for the weakness, the first is for some people using recording yourself is difficult or makes them too nervous because it is unusual. As a result, when the record is bad, they feel down and don't want to use it anymore. And the second is there is no direct feedback system from native English speaker. The feedback system is necessary because we can find out what went wrong and how to fix it. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you very much and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.